This video will show how to draw and mark main road. Now follow the below steps. Select main road layer from the layer list. Draw each main road which is abutting the plot as a closed polyline with single text inside on each main road layer. The road name starts with its width only. Road width should come first in the text. For example, 7.5 meter wide main road. To mark the main road, go to the Predicea tab, select Mark, select Main Road, and then Type of Road or Mark Unmarked Default. Now we'll see the Approved Layout Internal Scheme Road. To mark Approved Layout Internal Scheme Road, follow the same procedure. Just select Approved Internal from the drop-down. Now select the road poly and click Enter. Main road should overlap with plot or main road or road widening. This is how the main road is marked. Thank you.